Welcome back, guys, to my session. I am Devajit Mitra once more with a lot of love and happiness. I think all of you are very well. So, firstly, I'd like to wish everyone Merry Christmas Day, as the day is really very special. That's why I think to restart my session from this auspicious day. So, in this auspicious day, everyone know very well that Santa will come and also provide us very beautiful gifts and love and happiness. And all the happiness, all the prosperity will be spreading in the sky, in the air, and we will feel it from our hearts. Really, this is very special feelings. This is scintillating feelings that we have in every year in this special day, and that's why we people just wait and after waiting and after this large and long anticipation, somehow our waiting has been ended. So today is really very special day for all the people throughout the world, and really Santa Claus will come and also provide us beautiful gifts, scintillating experiences, and also very happiness, love, prosperity, everything, every positiveness will definitely gonna be spreading in the sky, in the air, and we will have it, we will feel it. So I don't want to make anyone disappointed anymore. That's why, without delaying any more time, let's get straight. So today I'm gonna say about regarding some topic which is really very important and discussed topic in present generation. And as many friends of mine also asked me to say something on this topic, that's why today I will just try to share some opinion of mine in this regarding about such topic. Topic is that how to be motivated every time. This is really very interesting topic, guys, so please do watch it till the end. This is my humble request to all of you. So how to be motivated all the time? Actually, one thing is that everyone in this world, means we the people, are motivated at all. We know very well how to motivate ourselves. Everyone is literate, educated enough. Everyone can know very well how to handle themselves. Everyone know how to pave the way of our success. Everyone know very well that how to tackle all the problems, all the inconveniences of life that we suffer, and we suffered a lot and earlier, and we also overcome. But the thing is that when we are much more depressed, when we are embarrassed, when we are puzzled, when we are confused, and also not getting anything properly, not getting any recommendations, not getting any suggestions, like you were just unable to pay heed on your study, and you have been doing so for so long, and your examination is just coming, just knocking at the door, but you are not getting the attention, you are not paying to attention to your study, but you are wanting to study, but when you go, you sit for study, then your mind reflects to another things. Your mind doesn't want it to what should I say, that stay at one thing, stay on study. Your mind is just reflecting, is just revolving, and just trying to memorize all the things around you, but not only study. Then you are thinking that what would be, my exam is coming and I just can't able to what should I say, that to pay attention on my study. Then I think I'll not be able to make a good marks, a rich marks on exam. I'll make poor marks. Then what will happen? Okay, so all the things makes us much more confused at the time. I'm sure that you wanted to that you will take, and you are also wanting to take recommendations and suggestions from someone else who is very close to you. If at that time, please listen to me very carefully, if at that time this someone is able to make you understand everything, even positively, even this person, this someone else, and whoever he or she might be, if the someone else want to make you able to overcome from your inconveniences, whatever you are suffering from, in the stage, if this is someone wanting to make you realize all the things even more positively, then you will be able to overcome. But if this someone is not able to motivate you, if this someone is not able to inspire you, if this someone just take all the things negatively, if this someone wanted to show negative points in front of you at that time, then you can't be able to overcome, because at that time you will believe everything whatever this someone will say to you. You can't realize your own existence at the time because you are confused. You will not believe on your own decisions, your own recommendations. That's why I want everyone to be that someone else, that you can be able to make anyone else motivated, inspired by your positive vibes, by your positive thinking. Only then our surroundings, our society will be able to make every impossible into possible, to convert every impossible thing into possible. That's why everyone should be the someone else who can make anyone else motivated by his scintillating and positive words. This is a thing that I also want. That's why I also as usual do the same thing. That's why many friends of mine also asked me to say something about our motivation. Actually, motivation is really very big thing. Everyone knows very well how to be motivated, as I told earlier. But when we are confused enough, means when we are much more confused and puzzled, then we need to take help of someone else. And if the someone else will help us to overcome by positive reasons, positive experiences of our life that we also faced earlier, like anything else, positive vibes, positive feelings, if they can make you feel positive, only then you will definitely gonna be able to overcome from any sort of inconveniences, any sort of problems of your life. And that's my guarantee to all of you. So how to be motivated? Only answer of mine is that always try to think everything deeply, stay cool and calm, think deeply. You are not paying heed or attention on your study. That doesn't mean you are a dull. Might be it's the state of mind, your mind is not wanting right now, but before exam surely you will be able to pay attention on your study. Just if in this present day your mind and you not able to pay attention or heed on study, then just per day at least 1 hour, for at least 1 hour try to sit for study, only 1 hour. And this 1 hour, don't try to revolve your mind into another things, just study. 1 hour means in morning you can take half hour, and in evening you can take half hour. Half plus half equal to 1 hour. Only half hour in morning and only half in evening. Did you get that? If you are to suffering, so not only study, anything else, you just don't need to raise your speed, and you also just don't need to decrease your speed. The speed, the way, the what should I say, that manner you are going through right now, just go in the same way. You don't need to change yourself. It will come perfectly, but it will take some time. Rapidly not. It will not be done rapidly. You have to take some time for this one and change your perspective. Think everything positively. Think that you have to do something very quickly. You have to do something very big, that people will be surprised by this one, and then people will be grateful by this what should I say, that helpful activity. And this is all about. And always think that we are doing very positively all the things, and behind everything we need a reason. So firstly, we are paying heed or attention on study. Means we are studying right now. Why we are studying? What purpose? For what purpose we are studying? You have to utilize, you have to recognize it, guys. What is the reason behind the study? Everyone needs a big reason behind everything else, behind every works. If we can be able to realize this reason, then everything will be perfectly alright. Right now we're studying that onwards we will be able to get a job. We will be able, okay, to get a job means everything in every aspect, in every department. So, and we will help our parents. Okay, we will be able to live a life even more perfectly. And if we have knowledge, if we will acquire knowledge, then also we will be able to make another understand about all the things what we know, means what we know exactly. If we acquire knowledge, then this knowledge will definitely gonna be widespread in the society. If our knowledge, our perfect knowledge will be spread in our society, then one day everyone, each and every one in our society, even in the world, will be educated. And this day is just coming, and it undoubtedly relies on your own perspective, own thinking, own conscience, and own consideration. So please don't think that you are negative. Everyone in the world is successful enough. Whatever you have done earlier, you just have gone through, and right now you are alive. Right now you exist. That means you achieved something. That's why you are now in the stage today, in this time. Only this is the thing that you have to realize, and nothing else. Everything will be alright, even more perfectly. So this is all about my every session. I just shared a little bit things that I consider as per my concerns and consideration. So nothing more today. I am Debojyoti Mitra signing off for now until we meet again. Till then, stay well and blessed, and again Merry Christmas Day to all of you. Don't worry, you doesn't need to worry about it. Santa will come and provide all the happiness, love, and beautiful gifts. Thank you.